Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel once again. Making their children eat vegetables has always been a constant struggle with mothers. What if I tell you a very interesting way to have them? We'll do a little manipulation of course, but once in a while it's okay. So let's see how we can have lots of vegetables. Here are very finely chopped vegetables: cabbage, grated carrots, capsicum, onions, coriander leaves. Assemble all the vegetables in a bowl. And now here I have got some half-boiled noodles which we will fry only for a minute and take them out. Keep these noodles ready with us and mix them only when we are ready to eat. Otherwise they get soggy. But we can always mix all the other ingredients in it. Mix everything very nicely and keep it ready with you. And when you mix the noodles, just give it a good mix once again and you're good to go. So isn't it really simple? If you like the taste also, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such wonderful recipes.